Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you how you can add, edit or delete your billing address and delivery location. So for that you need to go to settings module, click on all modules, then you will be able to go to settings module. Now once you will come in settings module, please check, here is the address option. Once you will click on address, this is the billing address and the delivery location. Here you can go ahead and from your right hand side get an option of add billing address, click on this. Now here you can go ahead and define a new address. You can just fill all the details like address 1, address 2, GSTIN, the location name, accordingly the city, and you can mark this as delivery location as well. You can name this particular location, and while creating the document you can select the same. Now how you can go ahead and just edit or delete the previous added address, please just check, here is the main address, one of my address mentioned. So here once I will go to three dot, you will get an option of edit and delete. Click on edit and you will be able to make these changes like street name, area. So here I will just type Powai. So click on save and please check, this particular address is edited. I can also go ahead and just delete this particular address by just clicking on delete. It will ask for the confirmation, click on yes, and then after this particular address will get deleted. Same you can go ahead and do that in the delivery location. You can add a new delivery location or you can edit or delete the delivery location. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to add your own address. Have a good day ahead.